everyone, and welcome back to Pastor Kim's Corner. And yes, it's me, Pastor Kim, and I'm about to make some delicious tuna fish. It's the solid white albacore tuna. Some people prefer the light. I like both. It doesn't matter. But let's see. You tell me in the comments how you make yours, and you'll get to see here how I make mine. Very easy, very simple. Let's do this. Okay, so I've got my ingredients. I boiled 2 eggs, and that's what I have there. I also have some chopped onions. You can see right there. I have relish, of course, Hellmann's mayonnaise. I know it's the South, but I don't do Dukes. I love Hellmann's. Salt, pepper, adobo. I think I have some paprika in there. Some onion powder, even though I have onions in it, and some garlic powder. Some people do not like sweet tuna. So you just, some people won't put in relish. I just put maybe like a spoonful. I don't like it too sweet. And then you'll see at the end. Well, I'll tell you what I almost forgot.
Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul, never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down, let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies, there's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah.
Okay, so I started with about 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise because I like mayonnaise. So if you don't like yours like really loose, then you might want to use less. Okay, y'all, so the secret ingredient that I almost forgot was celery. I usually have the celery seeds, but I didn't have any. So I chopped up some real celery and put that in there. And of course that's the pepper, salt and pepper. But celery is the bomb.com for me. And it gives it that crunch, and so it's really good. You have to try it if you don't use it. I made enough. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I am ready to smash this little meal. Those are wheat crackers. I have my pickles, my cheese. Everything is keto and low carb, so I'm good. Have a blessed day.